Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy Polygon MATIC tokens on Coinbase. So what we will do, we will log into our account on coinbase.com. After that you will arrive at this page. Now it will show us three options on the right top. You can select deposit, buy and sell, and send and receive. We would like to buy tokens, so we will select the second option, click on it, and this overview will be opened. Now, here you can see the asset we are going to buy. We don't want to buy Bitcoin, we want to buy Polygon. So we will select it, and there it is, Polygon MATIC. Click on it. After that, you can fill in the amount you would like to buy. So let's say 6 euros. I'm paying with my Euro wallet because I'm living in Europe. If you live in another country or are you using other currencies, just select the wallet you would like to use to pay with. And after that you can select also the purchase frequency. I want to make a one-time purchase, but if you want to buy with a higher frequency or a weekly, daily, monthly, or let's say another frequency, just select it. And after that you can click on preview buy. Now it will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. It shows we are going to buy 8.2 coins. So we are paying with our Euro wallet. The price of each coin is 61 cents. And the amount we are purchasing is 5 euros and 1 cent. The Coinbase fee we are paying is 99 cents. And the total amount we are spending on this buy is 6 euros. So after that, it will show us a option to stake our coins. If you want to make an extra dollar or euro, then you can select to stake your coins. But be aware, you can't unstake your coins for a period of 8 days. After that, you can select the option to invest on a weekly base. We just want to make a one-time purchase, so we'll leave it also on no. And after that, you can select the option buy now, and the coins will be bought directly. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.